Firstly, let us set the power supply to 12 volts. Our voltage range is between 11 volts approximately 15 V. Turn off the power. Then connect. There are 4 cords on the power cable. The blue wires for ACC. The green wires for wind sensor. The black wires the negative power supply. The red wires the positive power supply. Let's connect them. Positive to positive. Negative to negative. This is wiring method for one set. After connecting, there are still 2 wires that are not connected. This wind sensor for one set doesn't need to be connected. Just need to connect the ACC. ACC wire should be connected to the positive terminal of the vehicle ACC device. The wind sensor in the single set is not connected. You don't need to connect it. After connecting the power, the other end here, to the input connector on the unit, there is a notch here. The notch should align with the protruding dot here. See, this dot must be aligned with the notch. Positive and negative cannot be reversed. Okay. Now we turn to the wind sensor. The wind sensor is the same. Align the notch with the notch. Finally, turn on the power. This is wiring method for a single set. This is for a single set. If you need to connect multiple sets, connection is the same. On the basis of the first one, you can connect them in parallel. All sets need to share a power supply. Now we connect the positive wires in parallel. There are 2 positive wires here. If 3, 4, 5, or 6 are the same, they are all connected to the positive pole of the power supply. The same for the negative pole. When connecting multiple sets, it's the same. ACC. ACC is the same. When connecting multiple sets, connect them together. And connect them together. Or you can connect them together with a junction box. This is the wiring method of ACC. Now it's connection for 2 sets. Then, for ACC, a LED wire is needed to lead out and connect to the vehicle's ACC. If there are 3 or 4 sets, or even 6 sets, is the same. All corresponding wires are connected to the same terminal. All are connected in parallel. 1 ACC wire is required to lead out for connecting with ACC device on the vehicle. The same goes for the wind sensor. Now there are 2 of them. When there are 2, it's different from 1. For 2 to 6 sets, it's the same. Connect all the wind wires of speed sensor. Just connect them all together. It's the same. Lock them here, fix them in the junction box. For wind sensor, you don't need to lead a wire out, except for ACC. Because ACC, we need to connect it to the positive terminal of ACC device on vehicle. ACC is like this. The wind sensor is not needed. The wind sensor is. It's the same for 2 to 6 sets. They just need to be connected in parallel. No need to lead a wire out. For multiple sets, just need to connect one wind sensor. Only on is needed, no more. Finally, turn on the power supply and all connections are done.